family, and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Nancy, and this is City Trends Suburban Living. Well, guys, as you can see directly behind me, I decided to tackle my formal dining area.
Yay!
Yep. Poured myself a little glass of wine, gonna put a little bit of music on, and I'm gonna cozy it up for the holidays. So if you're interested in watching my fall decor, sit back, relax, grab a snack or a drink or a glass of wine and enjoy while I cozy up my home. So family, what do you think? Did you enjoy this video? Because I really enjoyed making it. So I just want to sit with you and have a little bit of transparency with you guys. And I also want to take this opportunity and just say thank you so much for your love and your support, for those new subscribers, which I do see, and even for those who viewed and shared and liked. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Listen, I made this life decision very sporadically in my life. I did some life-changing decisions in order to decide to do YouTube. And took a chance on myself, finally. Something I haven't done in a really long time. It's scary, but so rewarding, and so fulfilling, because this is the passion that I have. I enjoy making my house a home. I love hosting. I love taking care of my family. I love just being the creative me that I am. And I'm so thankful through my husband, because I promise you, he was just like, you need to do it, that I took this chance on myself and decided to do this thing called YouTube at my big age. So guys, please continue to support me. I have so many other things that I want to do, and I want to show you, and I want to bring you along this beautiful ride. My life. A quite interesting one, I may add. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate everything. Remember to turn on your notification bells. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share so you don't miss out on nothing. I appreciate you guys. I have a lot more coming along. I have a little story time I also want to share with you guys. So if you don't want to miss that, you can't not subscribe. You have to subscribe and turn on that bell. Thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate you guys. Besos.